Alright, what's up, cybersecurity family? It is K right here, back at it with another video for you guys today for another Google cybersecurity lab-based project. So, alright, let's get this done. We got another Linux video for you guys. I got like 3 more of them to do, including this one being 4 total. So let's get this done. I'll see you guys, and let's get this done. So, alright. Here's our activity that we have to do. We are going to use a filtering sequence, well, filtering method with SQL SQL query. So basically, we are going to be getting certain information about employees or machines and departments that they're in. We need to have this data put together to perform various tasks such as running updates, posting privacy notices, certain departments, and sending an alert to an employee with an issue on a machine. So this is pretty complex, but it's pretty simplistic. So basically what we do right here, we just get this, we put this right here, select device ID from operating system, well, select device operating system from the machines. Have this right here, everything's displayed. How many rows were returned from the machines table? I see 200 in front of me, so I click on 200. And then once that's done, you hit check your progress, and that should be completed. And then the next step is to retrieve a list of machines with the OS2 operating system. So what we do right here is that we're selecting all the records from the machine with the value of OS2 and operating system. So this is pretty simplistic. All you have to do is do the same thing. You do select device ID operating system from machines, and then where is it coming from. Like, to make this simple, the where method operator in SQL is to show or tell, yeah, is to tell the system where exactly are you pulling the data from in order to signify a proper data sequence of what you are showing. So in this case we're using OS2, and let's just say if I just want to like if I want to do OS3, if I hit that, that's going to give me, like everything from that data from operating system 3. But in our case, we need OS2, so we have we have about 80 rows. So shows right here that it produced everything within like 0 point whatever seconds, and yeah, that's pretty lightning quick, honestly. So it says how many machines in the database use the OS2 system. We have about, I would say, 80 of them. 80. Yep, so we have 80 machines. We hit that, click check my progress. So got that done, and then now we have right here in this task, you need to retrieve a list of all employees in the finance and sales department to obtain their office numbers. A notice about handling confidential financial information will be posted to these offices. Filter the rows from the department column in the employees table to include only employees from the finance department. Replace X with the appropriate number. Alright, so basically we're doing like the same thing. We're doing a select from where type of operating, coding method to gain the information from the employees from the finance department. So we hit that, hit enter. We have about 38 rows. So it's saying what is the employee ID of the first row return. I see 1003, and I put that down, and boom, we got that correct. So then our second step that we have to do is modify the previous query that returns the employees who are in the sales department. So we're just doing like a flip on the name. So right here you just do select at risk, and then it's going to give you like the prompts of like what you're doing, like where, like select is basically your general base variable component of what you do for a SQL search query. And you're basically doing select at risk, and then where, like, exactly like where are you getting, like the information from. This is like your from section, so obviously it would be employees. And then for the where, this is where are you, taking this information from to bring it back to your database query. It's going to be sales. And then obviously you can see right here, you need to put single quotation marks, because if you don't do that, you're going to get an error. So the system doesn't like that. So you do that, and boom, have that there. We have about 33 rows. And how many employees work for the sales department? I see about at least 33 of them. So boom, got that down. We have 33 employees at the sales department. So right here we have to we have to identify employee machines. So machine self 109 has an issue. You need to determine which employee uses that computer and send them an alert. So we have to write a query which employee uses the office in self 109. Data must be returned from the office column into the employees table. So we do that. We have to get select from employees, and it says where. You do the equal sign, single quotation marks, self 109. So we have this, and we see it's our employee, Jay Lansky, that is the employee with the issue. So we have to use Jay Lansky for this, multiple choice question right here. And boom, it says the user of the employee ID, yes, is Jay Lansky. Your team has determined that there's an issue with all machines in the South Building, and offices in the organization are named with the building a hyphen and office number for that building. So for example, we use South Dash 109. So basically we have to do the same thing to find this information for, you know, this particular building. So for this particular issue, we have to do the same thing, but instead of using South 109, we have to do a percentage symbol. Now, the reason why we have to do this is because our percentage symbol in SQL is a wildcard indicator to represent a string of any length that it may capture. So the wildcard symbolism for percentage sign can be placed both before and after the targeted substring. So to make this simple in layman's terms, like let's just say if I work for Call of Duty, and Call of Duty, let's just say Activision told me, "Hey Kieran, we need you to look at these files within our department where some employee could have had a error within a video game file within our framework to understand the database structure of a particular frame that was possibly poorly coded into basically such and such, whatever, um like how should I say, issue within that manner." So like in certain cases, like if you have to look for a certain error within a file, or a certain department that's screwed up within a certain task, this would be like the perfect method to find the information of what you're looking for. So the percentage wildcard method is to symbolize a representative placeholder for whatever string of any length to meet that value to be captured within the event of what you're searching within your SQL. So it's a good investigative strategy to find that information of what is to be potentially, missing or potentially modified within the situation. So after we do that, we hit enter, and boom, we obviously see empty set 001 right here. So I'm going to just actually, type this in like again. So we see select from employees where, and then we do, single quotation, percentage, for the word south, and then boom, we have it right here. And then it says, what department does the first employee listed in the south building belong to? We are going to see the very first person. S. Gilmore is working in finance. So that's our answer. And boom, we got that done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We got this finished. This wasn't pretty difficult to do. It's just more to do with like you have to read content and understand what you see right in front of you. And that's exactly what you have to do. You have to identify the file information of what you're looking for, and who's utilizing whatever device within a business setting of what you are going for, or anything to the manner of what you are searching. So it's pretty complex. It's a little bit, complicated, but it just, it has its certain ups and downs depending on what you're using for practical means. But all we did is basically use that the select from and where operators, and then we also use that the like operators to filter certain word types of what we're searching for. And then that's exactly what SQL is really good at doing. It gives you all the information of what you are searching for to give you the proper explanation of what you are wanting to look for. Obviously, for me, I'm still, getting good at this. So it's only getting better for me. But, for people that are brand new, just take your time, practice, and like anything else, it's all a natural adaptation for you to be better in what you will accomplish using SQL. But I wanted to do this project to, show this demonstration of what I got completed. So, all right, I hope you guys enjoy this, and be sure to like, rate, comment, and share this video. So, hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Peace out. Have a good day, and stay safe and be free. Bye.